Hey everyone, and welcome back to We Made It Fit. I am so excited to announce the release of We Made It Fit's Good Food Guide. So I'm always getting questions from family members and friends on how to start eating healthy and just live a healthy lifestyle. And usually I would send out really long messages trying to explain everything, and it wasn't really consistent between people. So I decided to make a guide that I can just send out to people, and you can just read it and understand everything you need to know and get started on your healthy eating journey. So all the information in the Good Food Guide is actually also in my Eat Healthy, Live Healthy video that I released a couple of weeks ago. So if you don't feel like scrolling through the PDF for whatever reason, you can also check out that video, and that will be available to you always, and that will give you a lot of information you need to know to get yourself started as well. Okay, let me show you what the PDF looks like. I'm so excited. Alright, this is the Good Food Guide, and this is a PDF of all the information you need to know. It's 8 pages long, and I just show you everything you need to know about healthy eating. I tell you what to eat, how much to eat, and how often you should eat. And I also give you everything that you shouldn't be eating, and also a nice big list of everything that is good and healthy for you. So I just lay out everything that you need to know to get you on your way. So I'm actually not handing this out freely to people. I want you guys to go ahead and contact me if you're interested in starting to eat healthy and live a healthy lifestyle. Just reach out to me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, and just say, hey, I'm interested in the Good Food Guide, and I'll send the PDF your way. And so that way I can also know who's involved in it, and I can help you as you're going through your journey. So that's actually all I have for you guys today, but I'll be waiting for your messages, for your requests for the Good Food Guide, and I'm just so excited to help you guys get started. Also, before we end this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up to support your girl. Hit that subscribe button down below so you're always getting the latest tips from We Made It Fit. And you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and my blog, and all of those links are down below, and you just follow me at We Made It Fit for all of those. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay fit.